Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to style a Charlie Morningstar wig using an easy method. First, ensure your wig is completely detangled to prevent damage and make styling smoother. Securing it on a wig head provides the best foundation for precise work. Have all your tools ready, including a good brush, light-hold hairspray, and a few clips. This preparation saves time and ensures a professional finish. Charlie's bangs are a key feature, so let's focus there. Carefully section out the front hair, ensuring it's an even amount for a balanced look. When trimming, always cut less than you think you need. You can always take more off. A slight inward curve with a flat iron or even a round brush and hairdryer will give them that perfect, soft swoop. Remember, subtlety is key here.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding these styling tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to style your finances as well as your wig, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, we'll give the wig some lovely volume. Gently backcomb the hair at the crown, focusing on the roots to create lift without tangling. Once you have your desired volume, carefully smooth the top layer of hair over the backcomb sections. This hides any teasing and gives a polished finish. A light mist of hairspray will lock in that volume and keep the wig looking fabulous all day. Now for the finishing touches that make all the difference. Take a moment to adjust any stray hairs or sections that might look out of place. A tiny bit of hair oil can work wonders for taming any flyaways and adding a healthy, natural shine to the wig. Finally, step back and examine your work from every angle. This ensures your Charlie Morningstar wig is perfectly styled and ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.